Oh, just saw an oil cooler on my 2019 Road King. This fan cooled version, so this replaces the stock version. It's got a pretty serious fan on it. It's about the size of a computer fan, but you see the motor, it's, you know, 10 times the size of a computer fan, so it should move some air pretty good. It has the 2-pin plug. There's information on it. The ports could be about the same, so both down at the bottom. And there's just 2 mounts on it, just 2 side mounts. One there, and one there. So I'll reuse the hoses. It comes with hoses that go way back into the bike, but it's a new bike, so the hoses are fine. If you got an older bike, then for sure, time to do the hoses. It also comes with clamps. I'm glad to see that there's worm clamps. So that's what I was going to use anyway. I don't want to put some weird clamp on and have them, you know, not agree with the clamp I use, but this is basic worm clamp. This piece here, it comes stock on the bike. This fits over the cooler there. It just is clipped on, so just 2 clips at the top and then a couple rubber clips at the bottom. So you don't have to, it's not like a weld nut or anything, you just pull on it and it'll pull off. There's nothing, no fasteners holding it, just pulls off. So that's good, nice and easy to get on and off. And then here's the original one. You can see just the 2 hoses, no fan in behind it, it's wide open. So there's quite a bit of room back there. And these are where those 2 rubber grommets will go in there. This is that plastic shroud piece. So I have to cut the factory clamps off. Those are the ones that were giving problems when the engines first came out, but not anymore. That's about it, there's not much to it. And it has 2 Torx bolts on the side. There's one there. And the same thing on the other side, so it's also easy to get at. No problem at all. It's pretty simple installation. I was kind of leaving this to last. I didn't want to bother with it, but it looks like it's a lot easier than I thought it'd be. I thought I'd be taking off the rectifier and possibly the crash bar and stuff to access it, but it looks like you can sneak a socket into this Torx on this side. You just see it under there, under the hose. Yeah, there it is right there, so no problem at all. Just exchange it and then plug it in down here. This is a plug right there. And get it, yeah, right there. So it's just a female to the 2-pin plug. It's already there, just sitting there. You don't have to wire it in. I was worried too because it came with some wires. I thought, oh great, I have to wire this thing in from the battery or some stupid thing, but it's all right there. And then possibly I have to go turn it on at the dealership. Get it to connect and change the configuration to having a fan, so then it'll work with the ECM. Because it can't just be on all the time or else it'll run too cool. The bike will take too long to warm up and won't be good for it. You want to warm up quickly and then have a steady regulated temp. So it's good that it's ECM controlled, not just a generic 12-volt fan that uses a switch. To do it manually, you forget or may kill the battery, who knows what. So anyway, that's the fan. Just want to do a video in case it helps anybody out. I don't know. Let's see, there's a part number on this. And there's the part number there. That's for the 107 2019 Road Kings Classic, but I'm sure it fits a lot of other bikes. Oh yeah, pretty much every bike going after 2017. Okay, have a great day. Goodbye. Well, it wouldn't be a Harley accessory if it wasn't a pain in the ass to put on, so it's what it had to do here. This outer bolt, it looks like it'll come off no problem, but it's just covered by the crash bar right here. So I had to get this tool, take a screwdriver and pry on the tool. It's a T27 too, not a T25. So you try T25, is just gonna round it out. Pry as hard as I could, shove the engine over, and then break that fucking thing loose, and it keeps going that fucking wall pad every fucking time. Anyway, it should be so simple, but this stupid thing's about 5 millimeters too long. If you had a super long T27 extension and like a impact driver, maybe you can get it off. I don't know who the fuck's at the factory putting this stupid fucking bolt in. It's like way too tight. The whole bite like shook when that thing broke loose. It's like just nuts. Anyway, that could be a problem, so something to watch out for. Thanks, bye.